Now the second part is controversial. وَإِيَّاكَ نَسْتَعِينُ. And from you alone do we seek help. And you remember in the start I said that for almost every Muslim, there is a time in life when you ask Allah for help and the help doesn't reach us. And that creates a lot of pain and a lot of disappointment at times. And people ask this question, why doesn't Allah help me when I asked Him to help me? And the answer to this question is in the word Nastaeen. In the Arabic language, if you want help, there are many words for it. There is Nasr, there is Masa'ada, there is Madad, there is Najda, there is Ma'una from I'ana. But Allah Ta'ala has used the word or chosen the word Nastaeen, which comes from Aun. And Ista'ana or Aun is the help which comes to you when you are putting in an effort and doing something but can't finish it. Now, if you're not doing anything and sitting down, you would not get Ista'ana. Ista'ana is always there and only there when you are actively trying to help yourself. So Allah's help is not the magic lamp that you rub and a genie comes out and it does whatever you ask him to do and you just sit there on the sofa and twiddle your thumbs. Because Allah Ta'ala says that if you take one step towards Him, He takes 10 steps towards you. So He is going to multiply your effort and make it easier for you, but you have got to put in the effort. And that's where we often fail. At times what happens is we are asking Allah for help and then we give up on the effort. And we sit back and we wait for a miracle to happen. Now Allah Ta'ala has got the ista'ana ready. But you have to take that one step for Allah's help to come to you 10 steps. But we fail to do that. So Allah's help is always there, but we fail to achieve it. Like they say, opportunity knocks, but if you don't open the door and you don't put the effort in there, you miss the opportunity.